Welcome back to Microlearning English 5 minutes each day. This is lesson 2 or day 2. Today, we practice one of the most common sentence patterns in English. I eat breakfast. She drinks coffee. We watch television. Simple, clear actions, things we do every day. We'll practice using them in the present and the past. We don't need to know the grammar names, just listen and repeat. Listen and repeat. I eat breakfast at 7. She drinks coffee every morning. We watch television after dinner. Again, I eat breakfast. She drinks coffee. We watch television. Now say it with me. He plays football. She reads books. They eat lunch at school. Listen carefully to the S. He drinks. She watches. Not she drink, but she drinks. Not he play, but he plays. Okay, now repeat. She likes music. He drives to work. It rains a lot here. Let's talk about the past. What did you do yesterday? Repeat after me. I ate breakfast at 7 yesterday. She drank coffee in the morning. We watched television last night. Again, I ate. She drank. We watched. Now try these. He played football yesterday. She read a book last night. They ate lunch at school. Hear the difference? Eat becomes ate. I eat, I ate. I drink, I drank. Watch becomes watched. I watch, I watched. Time words help. Yesterday, last night, this morning. Let's mix the tenses. Listen and repeat. Present, then past. I eat lunch. I ate lunch yesterday. She drinks tea. She drank tea this morning. We watch movies. We watched a movie last night. He plays football. He played football yesterday. She reads books. She read a book last night. They eat noodles. They eat noodles. They ate noodles yesterday. Okay, one more time. She drinks water. She drank water. I watch television. I watched television. He plays guitar. He played guitar. We eat rice. We ate rice. They read comic books. They read comic books yesterday. Let's go faster. Just repeat. I eat, I ate. She drinks, she drank. We watch, we watched. He plays, he played. They read, they read. You eat, you ate. Keep your rhythm. Hear the pattern. Don't think, just say. Great job today. Now you can talk about what people do and what they did. Everyday actions in clear English. Tomorrow is day 3. We'll learn how to describe how we feel. Like, I'm happy, they were tired. See you then.